Okay, new stream. New stream. I just reset it because I didn't know I put Friday there, and yeah, I just changed it. Maybe that's why I'm not getting viewers because I put Friday. Not sure, but we'll see. But here, if you are newer to this stream, or if you're tuning into the stream, there's another stream that actually went through. It's possibly on the on my channel live. You could watch it. You could see the reason why we're actually going here or targeting this level. I'll explain it here too, but you could watch that stream. Okay, now we have to. Here, 1 second. Just gotta test my other stream wave. Hello, testing, testing. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so it's like a 5 to 10 second delay, plus minus. Okay. 10 more minutes. Would be nice if the market actually went down here and then continue up. Because the closer we get here, the higher chance this might be a great long than a short. Before, so 12 minutes before 4 hour and 1 hour close. 'Anybody new tuning in? There's a stream that I just did. You could go check it out. Nine more minutes. And we don't want to see this 8 minute push. We better have this candle close somewhere here or even below. Nothing above, somewhere there, but it would be nice if they came down. And then, as of this point, We're actually looking for short here, but if we see something different, then and price does come here and supports and start going up, then we'll go for longs. It's crazy how you could be looking for a short here on top, and next you know you're looking for long right on top, not here, you know. But that's how it works. Because price did something different than we expected. Market is unexpected always, so can can't be like, you know, oh, because I said I'm gonna short here, my market went here, I should short, right? Well, it could do this, you know. That's why you gotta wait for confirmation. Patient. It's not easy waiting for confirmation because you want to enter a trade. For example, what if market does go this and go up, right? I bet you're like, you know what? If the market does this, why wouldn't I take a trade right here? Stop loss right here, and then I could make all this money and then more money on top if the market go higher, right? True, yeah. But what if the market does this or this? You know, that's why you gotta wait. But it could also play in your favor. That's not impossible. That's why when you know people start trading at the beginning, yeah, there is a thing called beginner's luck. People get lucky in the beginning because they don't know what they're doing. They draw some lines. They think this is the case, right? And price actually does this the thing that they think, and because price does that, they're like, oh my god, I'm smart, and that's how they make money. For example, they'll be like, oh, I think the market can go up. Take the trade, market goes up, support goes up. They're like, oh my god, I'm a genius, right? It's just you just got basically beginner's luck here. There's no valid reason to take a trade here. There's literally no reason to take a trade here. Yeah, we broke this, and it could be like scoop and go up, right? No, yeah, but for me, I don't see any reason. I could be wrong because I have my own strategy, so I don't see reasons. Someone with a different strategy might see a reason to take a trade here. So yeah, I don't see reasons. I won't take a trade. We have 6 more minutes. I hope in this 6 minute the market doesn't really fucking go here because I'd rather take a short and go shorting this today than actually fucking have the market go here and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to take a long, but I don't want this shit to be like something like this. But you know what? That's not a problem. We could also draw imbalances everywhere. Like here's an imbalance, here's an imbalance, here's an imbalance. When you draw look, here's an imbalance. When you draw a lot of imbalances, should get too confusing, right? You basically gotta find the ones that make sense for you. Like this one. This one's from previous. Like here, this imbalance that I drew. Unfortunately, we lost the trade because we're blind. But uh, price came, price didn't. I thought price was gonna break out. You see how like price actually went. Didn't really go high. We would prefer to go high, right? And then that would be like way stronger, but didn't really go that high. Came back. I thought this is gonna be the uptrend. It didn't. It failed. So when price goes like really far from the zone, like for example here, we broke this and we went so far, right? When we go here, there's a high possibility we're gonna go lower. But if we broke here and came here, then there's a possibility we're not gonna go lower. We're gonna actually go higher. So when there's an aggressive break and push far from a resistance or support, when it comes back there, that means it's gonna be a strong support or a strong resistance, unless they wick. So yeah, you learn from your mistake. I mean, if I saw this, it would have been nice trade. How much? Let's just say, yeah, it's like a free R because a 5 pips trade would have been like a free R, yeah. Plus, yeah, it would have been a nice trade, but you can't win everything. You can't really see everything too because I mean, when you're in the mindset of okay, I'm gonna long, right? We actually came through support here, right? This support area. Okay, now I'm hoping. Oh, came here. This broke this. Came down. Okay, yeah, this is a perfect trade. I'm gonna make money. We're gonna go higher, right? but it didn't work that way. If I was in a mindset of shorting this, would have been probably different too. You know. So yeah, right now the trade is doing good. 3 minutes, bro. This we're doing amazing. Because 1 hour we have this wick, yeah, it's fine. 4 hour we have this wick, it's fine. It's not that big wick. 1 hour is not that big, yeah. So if we close like this, we're chilling. Now we're just gonna wait for this. Now we could go to these little time frames and draw some imbalances. Here, let me just zoom in a little bit. This is how they respect these imbalances. But you also got to understand little time frame is little time frame because they respected this imbalance doesn't mean they're gonna go to the moon. This is just short term. Come here, respect, continue higher, respect, respect, get here, and then reject, and then go down and break everything that we just respected because the higher time frame looks different. How you draw imbalance? This is how you draw imbalance. When price is moving, there's this candle. Let's just say there's a candle. The next candle opens, goes really high, makes a wick. Then we have another candle, goes high, makes a wick. How you draw imbalance from the previous candle before the big candle? You take it from their wick. So let's just say the wick is right here. That means the imbalance is going to be from here, and then from this one, wherever this wick is from here. So this is going to be the whole imbalance area. So MIMB imbalance. That's how we do it for short. IMB. Some people call fair value gap. Some people call other stuff, but I don't know. I got used to calling it imbalance, so it makes more sense for me. And that's how you draw this. And then price goes up, comes back down. Either is either it but this would be something like price came from here, right? And this is like the bottom, right? Either price come here, respect it, doesn't break below this line, right? It could go here or here, doesn't matter, break, and then continue high. This is support. Or possibility price goes down, break this imbalance, comes here, and then rejects from it, and then continue down. And this is how the imbalance turns into support resistance, like temporary ones. So we're about to witness this. We'll see. We'll see. Either they support from here or they reject. This is how imbalance turned into temporary support or resistance. You see, we touched the imbalance, right? Touched it. It could be the top, it could be the bottom, it could be somewhere in the middle. As long as a body doesn't close below this to count this as support. If a body closes below this, then this is basically turns into resistance, unless the next body opens right away like this. So a lot of people draw support and resistance by like taking a line and being like, okay, this is a resistance, right? And yeah, it could work. You see, they did touch, right? Sometimes it works, or this could be a support, right? But the thing is, that's just more like drawing, like picking a high, picking a low, and drawing. Imbalance is a different story. They move aggressively, and now they're gonna come here and see if they respect it or no. So imbalance has value. Like I see value. There's value here. You drawing a line like this or like this, there's really no value. You're just basically drawing a line because this was a high, right? The only reason I have these lines, these are more like liquidity. For example, I draw one here, and now I draw one somewhere high, right? And if they go here, they basically tap liquidity. All the people that were long in here got stopped out because all their stop loss are on the bottom right here. That's liquidity, I call it. They go for liquidity. So the bottom and the top one. There's no such thing as like in the middle. In the middle are all these imbalances. Like all this is all imbalances for far, far away. Some are 15 minutes, some are 1 hour, some are 1 minute. 1 minute they're super small. Their stop losses are like, oh, by the way, the new 4 hour candle open, but on the 1 minute, they're super small. They're just temporary support. 15 minutes, same thing, temporary support, but also has value. The higher time frame you go, the stronger support there is. But I don't really draw the 4 hour and the 1 hour really. I draw the 15 and the 1 minute, and the reason for it is because I trade 15 in 1 minute. If you trade 4 and 1 hour, draw on the 4 and 1 hour. The 15 and 1 minute won't be important to you. You gotta You draw imbalances where you trade. So for example, I trade 15 in 1 hour and 15 and 1 minute. I also watch the 4 and 1 hour, but I don't really trade those times. I just watch those times. So I don't really care about those imbalances. I just watch them. I care about those little ones. So the 15 for example, I trade 1 minute. I draw 1 minute imbalance to stake a trade. The 15 minutes are going to be my targets, because the 15 minutes is going to have a stronger support compared to that 1 minute, right? So if I'm trading 1 minute, the strongest targets are going to be my 15 minutes imbalances instead of the 1 minute, right? So the higher time frame imbalance compared to your trading is going to be your take profit or stop losses area, stuff like that. So yeah, let's see 1 minute. Okay, 1 hour started like this. I hope they move like up to wick and continue down. We also have these imbalances, but once again, you don't want to draw all of them. The best imbalances, I would say, are the ones either on the top or on the bottom. The middle ones are all like, they're gonna come to that price just to take the imbalance. But the ones that they would really sort of go for the respect is the bottom one and the top one. That's where you're gonna support and resistance are gonna be. The middle one, they're just gonna be they're gonna be temporary support. Like where's the higher where do you think they're gonna stop? This imbalance, or they're gonna go for these two, like, or this 15-minute big one that I drew, right? You think they're gonna go here and break and go down, or you think they're gonna just rip through this and go for this one because this one is a stronger resistant area than this one? Plus, this is not even a resistant area. The only way this is a resistant or support if they actually go and break, or they go and support and go up, then it turns into a resistance and support. As of this moment, this imbalance is like nothing. It's just an imbalance. This one right here turned into a little temporary support, you see? But it doesn't mean that price is just going to continue high, right? They could just break through it because it's a small one. Nothing really crazy, but it's a temporary. You see? Let's see. Are they going to break it and go lower? Or they're just going to, respect it. They might respect it, actually. It depends on this candle. I mean, this candle is aggressive. This aggressive candle, you see? These aggressive candles are like, and it's fine that they broke it if they break it in 5 seconds, but they just say they break it. If price goes down here, then they would be good because I want them to go here and then go up. But they could just go up and go down, doesn't really matter. But I would actually prefer. But you see how they on the 1 minute chart, you see how they broke it, but they actually close above. So if the box closed above here, we're fine. Even though the wick could be like somewhere here, right? This is still respected. That's why you kind of have to wait for the trade to confirm if you have a confirmation. Because if you put a trigger trade here and a stop loss here and they somehow wick here and you get stopped out, even though they never actually broke this, usually this is how it goes. Body tells the story, wicks do the damage. So you see, this is the whole story. All the bodies are the whole story. Came up, supported, came up, supported. We'll see if they go up or they'll fall down, right? But also the wicks doing damage. Like Utah is not gonna break this, right? But actually they did. So the wick did the damage. So anybody that had stopped right here basically got stopped because the wicks do damage. Body tells the story, wick did damage. I feel like I would be great selling a course than fucking trading. Because, you know, in trading, it's like psychology. You gotta think. So, for example, you could be so fucking good at drawing stupid lines, right? Like reading charts, but then you have to execute the trade. Now, are you going to be emotional taking a trade from here and taking a stop loss here? You're going to be like, oh my god, I'm not sure if it's going to fucking go up, right? Might go down and stop me out, you know. And then you don't take a trade, you miss the opportunity, and you take stupid other trades. So, or you miss stuff. You can't really see everything. Humans where we make mistakes. Like sometimes we don't see shit. Like maybe I could have missed some imbalance that was kind of important or something. I don't know. I go what I have basically. So Let's see. Am I here? Got to test my audio. Yeah, okay. The audio is doing great. Streaming. Yep. Let's see. Let's go in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we would, yeah, I mean, it could go down, not a problem, but I would love to see if the candle is slowly coming up, and then, rejecting, you know, but if we do go down, it's fine. I'm not taking a trade here. That's the thing. Some people might be like worried, oh my God, I hope this support hold or blah blah blah. I don't really care. This is a temporary support. I'm just looking for this. Whatever happens here, it doesn't matter. Whenever price reach this area, then I'll be entering the market, either taking a short or a long if they do something like this. But right now we're just watching this. I hope this supports some, but also if it doesn't, then it's fine. You also got to remember they could also do this, come back and then support again, then go higher. It's possible. This could have been this little thing that I'm talking about. I don't know. Maybe it was. The only way this would confirm, like this would turn into a resistance if they actually break, go low, and then come back and then reject. This would be a resistance. But if they do something like come here, low here, and then come, they have to go aggressively down from it before they come back. But I think they might actually go up. Maybe. This doesn't really look that nice, but you never know. You know, price looks. Sometimes you expect price to not go that high or go that low, but the price does. So that's that. Let's see. I think price is gonna go up. If I'm wrong, I'll do a giveaway. If I'm right, you guys have to donate. I don't have a donate box, but you have to donate $100 each. So if I'm right, if they respect this and go higher and go here before they go down, you guys all have to give me $100. But if I'm wrong, I'll do a giveaway. Giving away you this free knowledge. That's what I'm doing. Here's the thing. I might. I don't know. You guys play games. When you guys, all the traders that's listening or will listen to this later, you guys play video games. Like if you're like a full-time trader or like a part-time trader or something, you know how you have to wait for the trade, right? You have to wait for confirmation. Ah, shit. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'll call. 1 second. 1 second. They didn't expect that. Give me 1 second. Okay, I might end the stream because I have to do something right now. I'll keep the stream rolling. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry for the wait, guys. I was talking business. We're back. Let's see what's going on. We did break. I did mention I'm gonna do a giveaway, but never said what. But now let's see if this is a confirmation break, right? The giveaway haven't started until this is confirmed. Because I told you guys we couldn't break, but we could also come back and do this. Just a heads up. A break, it doesn't really guarantee anything until it shows support or resistance and confirm. As of this moment, this looks like it might just break and go up, right? But since this is a 1 minute chart, this might be an aggressive push down, so maybe it goes lower. Move this little guy here. Honestly, ah, I'm interested in. I'm gonna take a trade because I hate holding trades for over closing because the fear is just insane sometimes. Depends. So yeah, I don't want to pay that crazy commission to hold the trade past the 4 hour mark. Sometimes it could be like a few $100, and it sucks because then you have to like get like a half a R or like 25% of the R just to cover that damn fee. And when our trades are like 2 Rs, kind of sucks. So yeah, if if I don't take a trade by 4 o'clock, then I'm probably might take a trade after 5 6 Chicago time. Heads up, because when the market closed and open, right? That 1 hour, the price just like trying to find the range, right? When 5 o'clock hit, the price kind of started moving somewhere, right? When 6 o'clock hit, that's when we know like price is normal. But usually 5 o'clock price is normal most of the times. From 4 to 5, I mean, it's a shit show. Like you don't really want to trade. You could trade, but the spreads are just fucked. I mean, literally. Let's see. Is this a rejection? Do I owe you guys a giveaway, or is this a mm, 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 support? Let's see. Let's pretend I'm not trading, but let's pretend I was trading. Let's see. Let's see. And even if here's the thing, even if this is a support, right? We gotta see go up and then come back to support, or give us like a wick, so to continue up. I don't want because we need confirmation. That's the thing. I don't want to see this if they do go higher. But now the question is, what if you want to short this? I mean, we did break out. We're rejecting. This is a possible rejection, maybe. Go down and higher. We'll see. We'll see. Once again, guys, it's not that simple to. You see, this is a 1 minute chart. So 1 minute chart, you don't really want to gamble here because you're basically gambling. If you're gonna take a short right now, stop loss somewhere here, you're basically gambling. Or you take a long, you're sort of gambling. On the 50 minute, if this was like a 15 minute support or resistance, then it's a different story. But this is not. This is a 15 minute. So price could do some stupid shit here, and we could like go down or up, right? Here, price doesn't have enough time. Like, bro, it's like 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes since they were rejecting. The fourth one could just fucking go up, right? Or it could go down. So this you don't want it. This is gambling, basically. We could take trade by respected areas, but gambling. Plus, if you took a trade here from here, your stop loss should have been somewhere here, so you don't get stopped out. I mean, this almost got stopped out. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it basically almost got stopped out. But yeah, if you did take a trade somewhere here, let's just say you took a trade here. Yeah, you see, you wouldn't be doing 3 pips. That's just insane aggressive. Like 4 pips, fucking aggressive. You would probably be doing 5 pips. 5 pips is, I think, is really fine. Take profit would be somewhere here, I would say, right? 1.7. Let's see if this would play out. I never go below 5 pips. I mean, that's why I'm making this. Like I'm not gonna do this because I don't even do 3 pips, 4 pips at all. I only do 5 pips. 5 pips is the lowest I'll ever go. And for the reason is because the spread. The spread sometimes could be a 1 pip and it'll kill everything. Let's see if this would even play out. And this is based on like us taking a trade from, you know, from a, respected area, even though it disrespected the fuck out of it. And closing the trade would be somewhere like here. And the reason why I would put here instead of like here, or you could do it here, it doesn't really matter, is because right here, you see these two candles? Price went down and they kind of like give some support here. So this would be like a nice support area. I think they will possibly break it before they go down, break this little area, unless they go higher. Let's see. Let's see. This, by the way, this I'm not in this trade. Just a heads up. I'm just seeing how it's gonna work. Basically a test. We're testing a trade, a fake trade. We're testing. We're just testing the our strategy if it works. You know, if this imbalance valid, even though we broke it, will it be valid here? We're testing. 15-minute time frame. Ooh, you see what I mean? 15 minute. Look at 15 minute. On the 15 minute, our imbalance looks valid. You see what I mean? Look at this. Like on the 1 minute, it looks different, but look at the 15 minute. We didn't even close below the support. You see? It's such a small. You barely see, right? This pink thing. But look, this is the bottom. Wicks do the damage. Body tells the story. Look. So it's still valid because Wicks do the damage. Body tells the story. The body said, "I'm at support level." The Wicks said, "I would just do the damage." You see what I mean? I didn't even check the 15 minute. I just saw it right now. Kind of shocking that I'm not even looking at that 15 minute. So I think this one's just gonna go aggressively up. Let's see. Let's see. You see, on the 1 minute, you would probably take a short, but on the 15 minute, you see, 1 minute was looking like a nice short, right? Rejection, right? On the 15, it just said, "Bro, what are you talking about? The short? We're at support there. We never even broke that. That wick, bro, just did the damage, but we never even broke the body. The body is chilling at support level. The hell are you talking about?" Let's see if this. Here. Let's see if this goes all the way here. I'm not in this trade. I'm not making a single penny. I actually lost money from the previous trade. So if this goes all the way here and actually goes to take profit without, not going here and then dropping down, but actually goes all the way to take profit. So that means, yeah, we just do this all the way to take profit. If it does that, right? I'm gonna sell a fucking course. I'm actually gonna create a fucking course and I'm gonna sell that shit. And you guys are gonna buy it. If it does that. If it doesn't do that, then I'm go back to trading and stop talking. So yeah, let's see if my little strategy is working. I mean, yeah, we have this little box, could be useless, but let's see if my strategy. We haven't broke the imbalance. We just worked it. Let's see if my little strategy works. They could actually work from here too and go higher still. So, but let's see if my strategy works. If this trade works, I will be sad because I lost one trade. This would have been like a nice cover up and a little bit of money made. But let's see if it works first. I'll be right back. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We're back. Looking like we about to not sell courses. Damn it. I want to sell one. I want to sell a course. Come on, this is my proof. This is my way to prove that this strategy works by this going up. So I can sell a course and make a lot of money. So I don't have to trade like all the damn Forex or any trade. Yeah, basically Forex influencers telling you that they make fuck ton of money in trading while they make all the money in course selling bullshitting. Let's see. I think I'm speaking too fast, right? Might have to calm the fuck down and not speak. Okay. Wait, can you guys hear me? Wait a second. Wait, what? Wait, 1 2 3 1 2 3 test 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 test. Wait, what the fuck? 1 2 3. Wait, 1 2 3 1. Oh, why is it connected like that? What the fuck? 1 second. uh, why is the audio not connected to my headset? Oh, what did I do? I did something. Hello, hello. 1 2 3 1 2. Oh, what the heck? What did I do? Wait, why? Why? I disconnected from my headset. How is that even possible? Didn't even touch anything. It's bullshit. 1 second. 1 second. Hello, hello. 1 2 3. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, please work, please work, please work. Okay, please work. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Does it work? Yes, yes. Okay. Audio's back in. I could hear myself. That's good. That's good. Trade so far. Not good. Not good. This is the audio is good, right? Okay. Yeah. So that was a rejection, guys. There's no way they're gonna make another work. I mean, they're not gonna make another work. This is a failed trade. I think they're gonna probably go down and then out, but this is a failed trade, and the reason for it, I don't. There's no way they're gonna make another wick in 6 minutes. Make a wick and go up. I mean, it would be shocking. Yeah, there's no way. So yeah, sometimes these candles, man. I mean, once again, if they make a wick, I'll lose my mind. But they actually broke this low. Wait, so why did I enter this trade again? Just a quick. Oh, okay, I enter on that. hmm Okay, so yeah, so they closed here. It looked like a support, but we were closed in the middle of the candle. In the middle of the imbalance, so it's kind of unknown. And to confirm that this is not a fucking support, we just take this down. Yep, we lost this trade, guys. I think. I mean, we were never in it. Like it was just it was just a show for you guys. But if in 5 minutes this goes all the way there and makes it work, I'll be like, what the fuck is this shit? And then that would basically mean they're just targeting people. There was one guy that I listened to. He's a trader, Forex trader, who makes a fuck ton of money, I think. Of course he does. He posted all that, but he said that from November or December to now, or like so far going on, If trading forex has been tough because the market either do fake out, moves in a range a lot, like, you know, people are saying forex is like the hardest thing to do now. That's why a lot of I heard people are switching to futures, right? I'm not sure if futures. I mean, I haven't traded futures ever, but I heard people are switching to futures due to like low spread or like no commission or something. So yeah, they're trading futures. 'Cause they said forex is became hard and hard to trade. Could be true because I mean, why are we losing this damn trade, right? I mean, shit, right? Like, yo, came down, rejected, and now we're going down. By the way, I see there's two people watching, so just a heads up. This is a test trade. This is not a real trade. By real trade, I mean like I haven't taken a trade on any platform for this. This is just like I'm testing on a 1 minute chart, testing this logic, like the imbalance logic, if it's gonna hold support. And it actually did here, but then we broke down and kind of turned it into a resistance. So it kind of does play resistance support area, but unfortunately, this trade that we took, the not real trade, doesn't really work out at all. So I guess the idea is there, the trade, not so much. Plus, the only reason we kept holding is because when we zoom in, this is a 15-minute time frame, guys. You see this, like you could barely see it, right? This pink thing, this little pink thing. I'm gonna draw a line to make it easier. This is the top and the bottom, right? This they wicked and they close right here, right? They basically close in the middle. If they close above, this would probably guarantee us support. This was just a wick because wick do the damage, body tells the story. But because it was in the middle, it's kind of unknown. And the next candle just fucking nuked this. So I guess it was so clear. I was just blind, couldn't see it, right? But I think they're gonna go break this and do this. And the reason why is because you see this line. I'm gonna go in 1 hour chart so you guys can see it. This is basically the bottom of this, and they're about to hit it. I think they already hit it. Did they? Yeah, I think did they hit it? We're about to go in lower time frame, but I think here this is 1 hour time frame, guys. I think they're gonna do something like this: break this, come back, come all the way here. Hopefully reject from here. If not, then they will probably support. But let's say they reject from here, and our target would be this area. So we would take a short from here, stop loss, I don't know, somewhere here, it doesn't matter, and then take profit. So we basically go for like a 3 4 hour trade, something like that. Reason why here is because imbalance, price came, support, broke this high, broke everything. Now to confirm this as a resistance or this valid, come back here, reject from here. They could make wicks, doesn't really matter what they make, just reject, and then continue down here. This is my idea that I want to take. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. I mean, we'll see. They could just go down here right now. Hey, but that's what I'm looking for. But also we gotta be careful for stuff like, come here, break out, and hold support, and then continue higher, right? Then we'll go target like the highs or stuff like that. But I think they're gonna reject from here. I mean, they could go higher, but I think they're gonna come back, reject, and then go down. And I actually wanted them to actually break this and then go high to come down, because that means they broke the structure. It could be a fake out. I'm not saying they can't, but they broke the structure at least, right? If they just went up right away and then go down, then there's a chance that they could just do this, right? So they broke a structure. So I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, they actually basically broke the structure here. You see, guys, they broke it. This trade is garbage. We'll take it out. Garbage trade. But we'll keep this in because this is valid. I mean, they rejected. I was just blind. We'll keep this in. This is a high that we would target. So if we're looking for short, we'd want to see something like this. They break this, and then fail and then go down. They could go higher. They could go to this little guy, break and go down. But at least I would hope they break this. At least not something like this. They could do something like this, but then they will probably come back just to break this. I would hope. trading is basically YOLOing. So yeah, right now, what we're doing. I mean, right now, next target is somewhere here. This is a 15-minute time frame target. Let's check just to confirm. Is it 15 minutes? I think this is a 1 hour. Doesn't look like a 15 minute. Looks like a 1 hour. And what do we have here on this side? Some random bullshit. Okay. Yeah, no, this 1 hour is good. I mean, we rejected it. Rejected came. We never really came to a support. So this. So I think they're gonna target this area for sure. I would expect price to go here. The question is price gonna go here right now, or is price gonna actually come here, reject to go here? So either wait to take longs here possibly, or take shorts here possibly. That's what we're looking for. So we might not even take a trade on Monday. That would suck. I mean, kind of want to take a trade, but it is what it is. The the daily close is gonna be happening like about 3 hours and 10, 13 minutes. 3 hours, basically, just say 3 hours, right? I'm not sure if that's even enough. Also, just I mean, here, let's see. This is not so much. I actually wanted this 4 hour candle to be like have a wick to here. You see, this would have been and then body will close right here. This would have been a nice 4 hour candle. Take half of this, reject from here, obviously on the lower time frame, but on the 4 hour, just have a wick and go down. It would have been nice, but they didn't do that. I'm not sure if they're gonna do that at all. Seems like they're going down. Let's see. Also, I, I don't want to take a long during the down during a drop like this. Not the greatest idea, but let's see if they do something like put an imbalance here and respect it, like have this aggressive push imbalance, respect it, so they could go all the way here. Maybe we could take a long like this, like a small long. And the reason why is just so we could have a trade going on, because when you're a trader, it sucks when you have nothing. Like when you a whole day pass and you took nothing. You know what I mean? It sucks. So let's see. But also, you don't want to push yourself to take a trade because why would you push yourself to take a trade, right? I mean, if I take a long right now, it could either play in my favor or it could just continue lower, right? I'm basically gambling. Do not gamble. Let this go up. Show me an imbalance area somewhere, wherever, it doesn't really matter. Come back, respect the imbalance, and then continue up. We take a long right here, stop loss either below here or either here, and target this. It could be literally a 1-to-1 ratio. It doesn't really matter, but at least it's gonna be a trade, right? But we need some like confirmation shit going on. Can't take a long because we feel like this is the bottom. Here, why isn't that drawing? Yeah, we can't take a long because we think this is the bottom. This could be the bottom. I'm not saying it can't, but because we feel this is the bottom doesn't mean shit. We gotta show confirmation. If the next candle opens like this, and then the next candle goes here, and then it's here, and then come back down, this would be like a imbalance area. Respect, maybe wick, and then they start going off, right? Then we'll take a long from here, stop loss somewhere here, and then hope they target this high. Let's hope. There's a chance they could actually, god damn it, there's a chance here. You see this high, I'm gonna just draw like from here just to make it, they could actually target here and go down, right? But then we could just move our stop loss, right, to break even or something. But that's what we're actually hoping. And this is 1 minute time frame. This is like I usually trade 1 to 15, but 15-minute time frame is more like interesting. But this is 1 minute time frame, guys. I mean, this is literally like just trading 1 minute. I mean, this means because we think this is the bottom doesn't mean it's gonna go all the way to the moon. This is more like this is what is it, scalping? Yeah, sniping trade. I'm gonna call that sniping trades. I would want like an aggressive push up, just so they could leave an imbalance area for us, you know. We have one right here. This one, this dark one, could go high, boom, boom. But I'd rather have them, you know, go aggressively up and then slowly come down, respect, and then go higher. Okay, if you guys enjoy this, I mean, please don't forget to subscribe. It would be nice if you subscribe. And also leave a like on this stream. It would be awesome. I mean, we have literally 0 likes. So, yeah, it would be nice to have one like if you guys enjoy. I mean, my goal is to stream every day. And by every day, I mean Monday to Friday when the market is open, not Saturday, Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, we all chill. On Saturday, Sunday, we all wait for the market to open. But also on Saturday, I could do recaps. Like, for example, do a stream like midday, not really early because I don't really want to wake up early, but midday, like a recap of the whole week, right? Because I usually keep all the trades saved. Like, for example, I had these 2 trades, right? I lost them, unfortunately. One was a little small account, the other was a unfortunate loss. But I had these 2 trades. I, every at the beginning of the week, I delete all of them on Sunday. So at the beginning of the week when I start, every trade I take, loss, win, doesn't really matter. I always saved it and lock it, so I don't move accidentally. Save it, and then I on Saturday I basically recap, like go back and see what happened, see why I lost some trade, see why I won some trade, see why I did this, blah blah blah, and that's how I could have a track record too. You know, I've already been doing this for like 2 weeks straight, 2 full weeks straight, like adding every single trade. It wasn't like almost every single trade, but it was almost every single trade. But yeah, and that's kind of the goal. So I could be streaming on Saturday doing the recap. You know, that would be interesting. And then on Sunday just chill. Well, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We try streaming every day. We're streaming already for 65 minutes. That's crazy. We had our first stream for like 20, 30 minutes, I think. Forgot to change the title, so it kind of messed up. So we've been streaming for almost 2 hours. That's crazy. I mean, holy shit. 2 hours of streaming and no trade has been taken. It happens. I mean, sometimes I get on. I mean, I used to stream on Twitch, and by when I mean I used to stream on Twitch, I streamed on Twitch for like 2 weeks in a row, like 2, 3 weeks ago, and then I hopped on YouTube. I feel like YouTube would be more fun. More people watch YouTube. Nobody really watch Forex streamers on Twitch. You know what I mean? Or Forex trading on Twitch. Like, I mean, maybe they do, but nobody saw me. Nobody was watching me. So yeah, I started streaming on YouTube, and hopefully I can stream every day. I mean, and basically I do live trading too. So this is basically live trading. Like all you're seeing here is me trying to find a good trade to take. And that trade that I just had, that fake trade that we lost, right? That was just testing stuff. That was just testing this imbalance. But overall, I take actually real trades, and all of them are live. I think on this channel that I have right now, you could go check my videos or my even live stream. There's a possibility there was a live trade on the live stream or the video. Okay, okay, look what we have. Okay, now we need this close like this. But we're also gonna need price to continue higher. So then price could go here and respect this imbalance. You know, we need respect. That's the only way we. Okay, okay, this is good. This is really nice. We don't want this to like we don't want a wick right now. We don't want like this candle to have a wick. We want price to go a little higher. So then it comes back to respect it. Then it will give us like a little temporary support, and then we could take a long. But once again, this is a temporary support. We could just break down. How's the 50 minute? 50 minutes looking fine. You see, we broke this. We made that. You could take a trade on a 50 minute right now and stop loss here. But we're trading 1 minute. Let's trade 1 minute. 50 minutes looking nice. Look, 4 minutes left. If price does go all the way here and the next 15 minutes wicks all the way down here for that imbalance, bro, I think we have a nice long opportunity waiting for us. Let's see. I'll put this imbalance the second we have like 2 more candles, just so we don't have some candles like taking it out. So what's the point of it? Plus, this was like a liquidity. I call it liquidity. Some people call it some other bullshit, but you know, how like some people call this fair value gap, right? I call it imbalance. So everybody has. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. At least I know what I'm doing or what I'm saying. Like, uh, I could call this. I don't know. I could call this Jew wagon. This area Jew wagon, right? I could call this area G wagon. If I understand this area and I understand what G wagon does, then it doesn't matter for everybody. But I think this is an imbalance and it's a good area. We need price to go a little bit higher so we could like have some like confirmation. I don't want this little confirmation. I need like I rather have okay. So I mean I rather have price go high and then confirm. Don't really want to see a confirmation right now. Okay, so basically they did that bullshit. But here, we'll draw one. I'm not sure if it's gonna mean anything. We'll just draw one because I saw some of these like they go up, they go down, and they come up, and usually they either fail or they come up and then they hold support. You see what I mean? And then they continue higher. Usually something like this might happen too. So we'll keep it. We'll keep it just for the sake of might happen. So let's just pretend we're not gonna pretend about here. Let's just say we're looking for a trade. Let's just say we take a trade somewhere here, right? Because we'll wait for confirmation and stuff like that. I usually go 5R is the lowest I'll ever go, and then target this. So like a 2.3R, 2.3, 2.4R trade. That's a nice trade. We have 1 minute. Let's see how this 15-minute also close. Because if this 15-minute close fine, then I might take a trade right now. But more or less, I rather kind of wait for them to do this. Kind of getting ready for that little trade we're gonna take. Or should I take a trade right now? You see, patience is key, and sometimes I don't have patience. We gotta wait. I mean, even if we have to buy it somewhere here, we sort of have to wait just for the sake of Okay, 40 seconds. Let's see how this candle closes. 30 seconds for the 15. 40 seconds for the 15-minute candle. 15 seconds. What am I talking about? Oh, the 1 hour is gonna change too. Oh shit! I didn't even see it. Okay, so it depends on how this goes. I'm hoping there's a little wick for the next 1 hour. Have like some wick here, and then go up. If they do go up, not just go up. You know. Okay, since you see, since we hopefully we go up here, and then we wick, and the wick touches this to confirm going up. To have a confirmation, we could take a trade right now, but like then we're basically like let's hope this happens. The whole idea is so we could be confident enough that this might happen. But this does look like a bottom, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It looks like a nice bottom, sort of like a temporary one, you know, to go up here, not like a bottom because I think they should go here. You know what? I have here. I'll take a trade on my here. Let's see. For I think this might be the wick. I have another account, challenge account. Let's see. I'll just take a trade here, possibly. Haven't been trading on this one in a while, so let's see. Well, I'm not in a trade yet, so give me a second. What am I trying to find here? I'm not sure. Here, I'll take this trade. Let me give you the numbers. 88. Oh, this 90, 88. We're in the trade at 88. Stop loss 5R. I mean, not 5R, 5 pips. What am I talking about? This is the stop loss. Take profits all the way right here. 2.4. 2.46. 8811. Patient has never came across when I took this trade, so if it doesn't go my way, it's because of the patient that I had zero of. Let's see. They could work from here if they touch this and then they work. That's fine. 1 hour. We did one on 1 hour. Like we need like a little work. We can't just have a aggressive candle. Mhm. I just want to see the 4 hour like really far. See how they look. Here, let me take this out because this is so stupid. This little circle, this little drawing is pissing me off. Okay, 4 hour looks not bad. If they do this and they go up and close there, there's a possibility they might do that. Daily, daily looking interesting. Daily aggressive. Really aggressive. This is why it's kind of hard to take this trade because the 4 hour looks so strong going down, and this might be a rejection. So we're not 100% confirmed here. A lot of people don't trade on Monday. I'm the only one trading. Okay, we're in this account. Stop loss is gonna be same thing as this one. 430. Okay. Take profit. 8811. 638. Let's see. You basically have two trades on this. One trade somewhere here and one trade right here. Right, exactly. On two different platforms. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Either it's gonna go good or it's gonna go bad. Either patience should have been there, but we didn't have any. Let's see. In case this is the bottom, let's let's see if they actually break this top also, just to have a confirmation. This is a live trade, so you guys wanted to see live trade, here you go. But I see something. Live trading is softer tone, because we're scared. If you're scared, you're not making money. Okay, here I'm gonna go get something live trade. I'll be back in one couple seconds. Hello, I'm back. I'm back. I am back. Yo, 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 yo. What's up? Let's see what's going on. Okay. Let's see how this trade play out. Almost a 2.5. Let's see if it works. 15 minute. 15 minutes looks fine. 1 hour. 1 hour. We need this 1 hour to close here above this, or at least above this body candle. So then the next hour could take us all the way there. Let's see how that goes. And yeah, I'll just let the stream run with the trade while I'll be doing something. This is a resistant area, but I think it's gonna be a temporary, like if we run into it, might be irrelevant, but yeah. Yeah. Now let's have this as a support. We need this to turn into a support so we could confirm going up. And yeah, I'll be back. Well, the stream is gonna be on basically. It'll be like a live trade. There's really not much to say. Unless we see some problems or support resistant areas targeting.